up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be going to a supercar meet. So uh it's like at a church, and honestly, I last time I went to a church car meet, it was Cars in Christ, and I don't really like them because they had people there that were like really manipulative and literally like trying to get me to join the church uh from like a fake friend perspective. Like they would pretend like they cared about my camera and everything just to ask me if I wanted to join the church, and when I said no, they just left. But anyways, I got my shoes right here, so let me just put them on. Alright. I'm gonna recycle my computer after the meet because I don't really have that much time, and it's kind of on the way, and also the sprinklers went off at my house, so I can really leave for a little while, so I kind of need to go right now because this is like an hour after I recorded that first intro part. So next time you see me, I'll actually be at the meet. Yeah, there's some cars here, but I mean, there's not that many. I thought there would be a lot more. There's supposed to be at least like 50 cars here. So I guess I have to see who shows up. Looks like the Escort is here. Ooh. I think I found where the cars are at. It's just like loads of cars, they never end. I think they're gonna fill up the whole parking lot. McLarens. We got lots of BMWs, a police escort, everything. Look at this. And the line just keeps going. When I got here like 10 minutes ago, there was like no cars, and now the whole parking lot's full. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures real quick. I'll put it on screen, the pictures that I got, but I'm just gonna wait till they take off to get some good video. the cars left at this point. So I think I'm just gonna leave the meet. I'm just gonna head over to the computer recycling place and see if I can give them my computer. Gotta check what time it is. Yeah, we still have time. Alright, I'm at In-N-Out. I got a little bit hungry because it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna get some food and eat and talk about the new business that I started, that and what my plans are with it. Alright, I might as well tell you about it. So let me put the AC up. I didn't want to be loud while I was talking, but anyway, so I started a photography business, and basically my strategy is that I message people, like cold DMing people on Instagram, because I already have some followers of people with cars. Like I did a photo shoot with with a guy with a silver Porsche 911, and that was a really good shoot. I did it for free because since I'm the one reaching out, it's best that I do it for free, because I shouldn't be reaching out and then ask for pay. So all these are free until people reach out to me. But I have a little bit of followers, not much, so I kind of need to build up my followers and make more posts and more reels, because I've only made like 4 reels. Alright, I'm gonna order real quick.
Perfect, that's gonna be $6.71 at the first window, please.
Okay, so like I said, I'm DMing people, messaging people on Instagram, and one of my best strategies for this is, since I already have a few people that follow me and each of them has around 1,000 followers, I go and see what their followers are, and if there's any followers that they have in those 1,000 followers that are people that have cars and even potentially more followers, I DM them, and since when they go to my profile they see that this person follows me, it builds trust, and they automatically will probably respond and probably want to do photos, because even though I just started, most people say that my photos are really good. And doing collab posts, even when it's not a photo shoot, just going to car events like Fuel Fest and different car meets in the area, and then doing a collab post with somebody that has followers is a really great way to get my name out there, because when people go to their profile, they'll see that we did a collab post, and they'll see that I did the pictures. So that's pretty good. That's my strategy. It's gonna take a little while. I've messaged probably 25 people, and I've gotten a few different responses, but I've only done one official photo shoot. It hasn't been that long really, but I did get some great photos today at the car meet, so that's pretty good. And I'm really focused on YouTube a lot. Next week is actually the last week of school that we have, final testing, and let me adjust this camera. Finals testing, and also most days next week will be half days, so I can work on videos. And you know what's even better? Forza Horizon 6 is gonna be coming out when I get it on Tuesday. I'm gonna do a release video, and it's gonna be very cool.
Here you go. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Gotta park somewhere. I'm gonna eat, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I finished my food, and honestly, my friend said that my car was too plain on the inside, so I'm thinking about putting this bobblehead here. This bobblehead is actually from Hawaii. My best vacation I ever went on was to Hawaii, and I got it there, so it's like a really cool thing that I could have in my car, and it would be right here. So let me know if I should put that there. And also I've seen some people take pictures like in front of In-N-Out, so I'm trying to adjust my camera settings right now. I've seen some people take pictures outside of In-N-Out with their car, so maybe I'll try that. And if not, just that's the end of the video. But yep,